Ask Tom on Home Show.
John from Cinco Ranch needs a little roof advice.
Little? It's this big roof. He's looking for help on, Tom. Yeah, I'm looking at buying an older building. He says it was built in 2014. It was remodeled in 2004. And this roof needs to be replaced. What kind would you recommend? Just for the record, Tom, it's a 69,680 square foot brick building. And if you look in the background, you see that hill in the background? I'm guessing it's not in Houston.
Well, that's what I wanted to know, because I kind of previewed some of these pictures beforehand. But if you did it in Houston, so I kind of formulate my answers in a little bit on how I'm going to do this. If you do it in Houston, you're probably going to use a TPO. If you talk Jim Hardwick over at Ideal Roofing, probably going to go that way. It's better for our hot climates. Then if you go into areas where you have snow and sleet, and go to Minnesota, for instance, we'll just use that because I have a roofing company. We train their roofers out of Minnesota, and they do a whole different application of bitumen. Bitumen roofing, it's a lot more durable with the 40 below zero and the sleet. And they always send me videos for fun about sleet crossing over these giant, huge roofs on these buildings. So talk to your roofer, but it's probably going to be one of the two. I don't care if it's brick. I don't care what it is. That's a flat roof system. It's a commercial roof system. So it's probably going to be one of those two systems. And they'll probably give you some options when they look at it, depending how big it is. They're going to have to put in for building movement and things like that, and all the flashing details and stuff, which is the most important thing. And then the drainage. If it's in the desert, you don't worry about water drain as much as you do, say, in the Houston area. So talk to a good roofer about that. That's not a go cheap on this one. Do it once, do it right. And that roof, either one of those done right, you're probably looking at 40, 50 plus years easily. And with a roof that big, last thing, think of a commercial roof maintenance program that you hire from. You hire your roofer once a year to do an inspection, and any little things that come up that they see, you hit them quick after it's out of warranty. Even if you pay for it out of warranty, if it's in warranty, they can hit them quick. But the fact of the matter is, don't wait for it to start to leak, and you can nurse that thing another 20 years if you do an industrial maintenance program on there, and it's not that expensive in the long run. You save a lot of money if you're going to keep the building a long time.
All right, you got a question? Tom will help you out no matter how big you're building. Click on the blue Ask Tom button at HomeShowRadio.com, either a form or a video. You can write us or send us a video of your question. We have a couple of those, by the way. We're going to have them in a couple days here. We're going to add them to the collection here. Just fill out this form and include a picture, like we got there of that roof, because we could tell that it wasn't a Houston roof. And it helps us give you a better...
They try to fool us sometimes.
Yeah. Because there's no hill like this anywhere in Houston. I'm just saying. All right. So send it in, and we'll answer it, because we post a new one every day. We put them on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, and, of course, at HomeShowRadio.com.